Hello and welcome to another one of these ADD videos. Today we're going to be looking at examples of atomic numbers and mass number problems and how to get proton numbers, neutron numbers, and electron numbers from that information. So what do? Well, we first look at this. If you look at your allowable isotopes or stable isotopes, carbon-13 is one of them for carbon. And that tells us that the atomic number is a number of protons, so I write a 6 there. If I have the right color, I can write a 6 there. There we go. Number of neutrons is going to be the mass number minus the atomic number, which is 7. And the number of electrons, because it's neutral, will be the same number as the protons. Okay, pretty straightforward. Here, it's a little bit more complex. I didn't give you the atomic number. I did give you the mass number, and there's a net charge of +1. It's a cation. That means we've lost 1 electron. All right, so how would I get a +1 charge? If I have 79 electrons, 79 -1 charges, how would I make it into a +1 net charge? Well, I would have to have 80 protons to balance all 79 of the electrons and have 1 left over for that +1 charge. Then to get the atomic, to get the number of neutrons, take the mass number minus that atomic number, and that's going to give you 117. All right. Another variation on the same problem. I didn't give you either one of the mass number or the atomic number, but I did give you the number of protons. So because you know it's the number of protons, we know automatically that that's going to be your atomic number. And then we need to figure out the number of neutrons. In order to do that, well, actually we're given the number of neutrons. I'm sorry, I'm being distracted by these puppies here. We're given the number of neutrons. We want the mass number. So the mass number is the number of neutrons plus the number of protons. And if you were to do that, you would get 235. That's adding protons plus neutrons. So then finally we need the number of electrons. Well, we know there's a net -2 charge, so that means all 92 protons must be balanced, and then 2 additional electrons must be there to provide that -2 charge. Okay? It can get a little complex, but you can see that these aren't too bad. If you do a few of these, you can get these down pretty quickly. So practice, practice, practice. I hope I've cleared up any confusion. Thank you and have a nice day.